you know what time it is, the please like and subscribe segment. So, please, 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 please like and subscribe. Thank you. Let's go on with the video. So, the towels are going in this bag, and the sunglasses too? Where is the sunscreen? It should have been here. Babe, did you see the sunscreen anywhere? Babe, are you honestly still sleeping? Wake up, sleepyhead. You promised me that we'd go to the beach today, remember? Don't just tuck me under you. Wait, are you still sleeping? Babe, please wake up. I'll do anything. Aha, so you were awake the whole time. I'm not grumpy, but I've been running around all morning preparing everything, and you don't even have your swimsuit on. I know it's our first day off for a very long time, and my beloved hero is tired, but we don't get the chance to do this thing very often, so please get up and help me. Yes, thank you so much. We have to hurry. Momo gave me the keys for her private beach house just for this weekend, and I want to make the best out of it. Yes, it took a very long talk. A promise to babysit our little niece next weekend, and I had to swear on my favorite movie star that the house will stand at the end of the weekend. Sorry, you can relax the weekend after that. I know I'm the one that keeps our schedule so busy, but that was the only way we get to go to the private beach house. So please don't be mad. I love you, I love you, I love you so much. Don't be mad. I'll do anything to make it up to you. Yes! Not now, we have to get going. So please let me escape from under your wonderful and oh so biteable arms. No, my arms aren't that biteable. Oh yeah, before I forget, did you see the sunscreen anywhere? I have been searching for it and... Oh, I haven't looked there. You're right. We have placed it there after we got to Denki's pool party. So, now is everything packed? I just have to get it to the car. Babe, can you do that for me? Babe, come on now. Get your pretty ass in gears. Or are you saying that you don't want to see me in my new bikini? That's what I thought. It's so hot in here. Turn the AC on, please. Thank you. Yeah, I love that song. I'll get an earworm every time I hear it in the background. Oh, look, we're here. Oh, wow, what a huge house. Babe, look at the beach. The water is so blue, it looks so surreal. We have to get in it now. I know, putting our stuff down and getting settled is the adult thing to do. But you haven't married me because I'm such an adult, so let's go! Oh, rude, I know we haven't been married yet, but we are happily engaged, aren't we? Yes, come on now, let's go swimming already. Oh, the water is so warm, it's perfect. Ah, babe, so you want a water roar? You shall get one. No, let me down, I haven't lost yet. What deal? I don't know. What's your bargain? A kiss. Well, it's a risky game you're playing, but I'll accept. For my freedom, I shall give you a kiss. Have I already told you that you look very attractive in that swimsuit? Oh, I have not? Well, now you know it. Thank you, but I'm nothing against your hot ass. You already know that this is a private beach. So how about you get the cash and that promise I made you from this morning?